Good day everyone, my name is Pojas, a Bachelor of Technology in Livelihood Education, major in Home Economics, and this is my lesson about food and nutrition. Introduction. The effective management of food intake and nutrition are both key to good health. Smart nutrition and food choices can help prevent disease. Eating the right foods can help your body cope more successfully with an ongoing illness. Understanding good nutrition and paying attention to what you eat can help you maintain or improve your health. Module outcomes. At the end of the lesson, the students must have define food and nutrition, identify the food nutrients, its sources, functions, and deficiencies, discuss nutrition for the life cycle, and lastly, emphasize the importance of diet, health, and nutritional status. Lesson 1. Food and Nutrition. Lesson outcomes. At the end of the lesson, the students must have discuss food and nutrition, identify the deficiencies that will occur due to lack of proper nutrients, and analyze the importance of nutritional value in every meal prepared. Foods. Any nutritious substance that people or animals eat or drink or the plants absorb in order to maintain life and growth. Nutrition is the process of taking in nutrients from foods. Food and nutrition is the way that we get fuel, providing energy for our bodies. We need to replace nutrients in our bodies with a new supply every day. Water is an important component of nutrition. Fats, proteins, and carbohydrates are all required. Maintaining key vitamins and minerals are also important to maintaining good health. Healthy iron. Your blood will not function properly. Other nutritional deficiencies that can affect your blood cells include low levels of vitamin B12, folate, or vitamin C. For pregnant women and adults over 50, vitamins such as vitamin D and minerals such as calcium and iron are important to consider when choosing foods to eat, as well as possible dietary supplements. A healthy diet includes a lot of natural foods. A sizable portion of a healthy diet should consist of fruits and vegetables, especially ones that are red, orange, or dark green. Whole grains, such as whole wheat and brown rice, should also play a part in your diet. For adults, dairy products should be non-fat or low-fat. Protein can consist of lean meat and poultry, seafoods, eggs, beans, legumes, and soy products such as tofu, as well as unsalted seeds and nuts. This picture is the example of a balanced diet. The color green there represents foods and fruits and vegetables. The color yellow represents grains, cereals, and potatoes. The color blue represents dairy products. The red one represents meat, fish, nuts, and eggs. And last, the orange one is representing fats and sugars. Good nutrition also involves avoiding certain kinds of foods. Sodium is used heavily in processed foods and is dangerous for people with high blood pressure. The USDA advises adults to consume less than 300 milligrams per day of cholesterol found in meat and full-fat dairy products, among others. Fried food, solid fats, and trans fat foods in margarine and processed foods can be harmful to heart health. Refined grains, white flour, white rice, and refined sugar such as table sugars, high fructose corn syrup are also bad for long-term health, especially in people with diabetes. Alcohol can be dangerous to health in amount more than one serving per day for a woman and two per day for a man. Nutritional deficiencies. Even if you are getting enough to eat, if you are not eating a balanced diet, you may still be at risk for certain nutritional deficiencies. In addition, you may have nutritional deficiencies due to certain health of life conditions such as pregnancy or certain medications you may be taking, such as high blood pressure medications. One of the most common nutritional deficiencies is iron deficiency anemia. Your blood cells need iron in order to supply your body with oxygen, and if you do not have enough iron, your blood will not function properly. Other nutritional deficiencies that can affect your blood cells includes low level of vitamin B12, folate, or vitamin C. Vitamin D deficiency may affect the health of your bones, making it difficult for you to absorb and use calcium, or another mineral that you may not be getting enough of. Although you can get vitamin D by going out in the sun, many people with concerns about skin cancer may end up with low levels of vitamin D by not getting enough sun. Other nutritional deficiencies include beriberi, the low levels of vitamin B1 found in cereal husk, araboflavinosis, low levels of vitamin B12, pellagra, low levels of vitamin B3, paraesthesia, low levels of vitamin B12 leading to a pins and needles feeling, biotin deficiency, low levels of vitamin B7 which can be common in pregnancy, hypocobalamin, low levels of vitamin B12, night blindness, low levels of vitamin A, scurvy, low levels of vitamin C, rickets, severe vitamin D and or calcium deficiency, vitamin K deficiency, magnesium deficiency occurs with certain medications and medical problems. Potassium deficiencies occurs with certain medications and medical problems. Nutritive value of foods. Nutritional value refers to content of food and the impact of nutrients in the body. It relates to carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, additives, enzymes, vitamins, sugar intake, cholesterol, fat, and salt intake. Nutritive value is essential in maintaining performance of neonatal, growing, finish, and breeding animals. Ways to improve the nutritional value of your meal. Make your plate as colorful as possible. Fruits and vegetables are an essential component of a healthy diet, so make an effort to incorporate them into every meal. Always go for whole grains. Include a serving of protein whenever possible. Avoid sugars as often as you can. 7 elements of nutrition. Carbohydrates. Any large group of organic compounds occurring in foods and living tissues and including sugars, starch, and cellulose. Protein is the type of nutrients that found in meats. Fats, a natural oily or greasy substance occurring in animal bodies. These are found both in plants and animals. Vitamins are organic substances found mostly in fruits and vegetables. 7 elements of nutrition. Fiber is, is of vital importance of digestion. Water can be taken from 3 sources, namely drinking water, water in food, and water formed by oxidation of foodstuffs in the body. Minerals, an inorganic substance needed by the human body for good health. Nutrition for the life cycle. An individual needs of nutrients and energy change over lifespan. It is during a body's growth period that the need for nutrients is greatest. Stages of nutrition. Ingestion, the process of taking food, drink, or another substance into body by swallowing or absorbing it. Digestion, the process of breaking down food by mechanical and enzymatic action in the alimentary canal into substances that can be used by the body. Stages of nutrition. Absorption, the process of action by which one thing absorbs or is absorbed by another. Assimilation, the absorption and digestion of food and nutrients by the body or any biological system. Ingestion is the discharge or expulsion of undigested materials from a cell in case of unicellular or cellular organisms. To meet your nutrients need and stay within your calorie limit, choose variety of nutrients dense foods across of all foods groups. Nutrients dense food includes vegetables, fruits, whole grain and fat-free or low-fat dairy products. Limit calories from added sugars and saturated fats and cut back or sodium. Nutrition needs and concerns vary during different stages of life. Lesson 2. Health, Nutrition, and Diet. At the end of the lesson outcomes is, at the end of the lesson, the student must have 1. Discuss health, nutrition, and diet. Identify the nutrients needed by the different groups of people. Prepared a menu plan for a different group of people. Value the importance of proper diet. Pregnancy and lactation. A woman's nutritional status before and during pregnancy affect not only her own health but also the health and development of her baby. Overall, nutritional requirements increase with pregnancy. The second and the third trimesters, pregnant women need additional food every about 300 kilocalories above non-pregnant needs. Infancy, childhood, and adolescence. In general, have fewer infections and a reduced chance of developing allergies and food intolerance. The rapid growth rate of infancy slows down in early childhood. A gradual transition to lower fat foods is recommended along with regular exercise because of unusual eating practices, skip meals, and concerns about body image. Many teenagers, especially girls, have a less optimal diet. Adulthood. For the most part, a diet that is beneficial for adults in general is also beneficial for people as they age, taking into account possible changes in energy needs. In elderly people, common problems that contribute to inadequate nutrition are tooth loss, decreased sense of taste and smell, a sense of isolation, all of which result in decreased food intake and weight loss. Inadequate fluids intake may lead to dehydration. Diet, health, and nutritional status. Diet, the kind of food that a person, animals, or community habitually eat. A special course of food to which one restricts oneself either to lose weight or for medical reasons. Diet and nutrition. While these two words have the same definition, in sentences, they have different connotations. Most people often use the word diet when they attempt weight loss. We can easily combine nutrition with diet because nutrition is eating as it relates to our dietary needs. A healthy diet can help you lose weight and lower cholesterol as well. Exercise can help prevent heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and colon cancer. Remember, any amount of exercise is better than one. Health refers to a state of complete and emotional and physical well-being, a physical, mental, and social well-being, and as a resource of living full life. Importance of health. Better health is centered to human happiness and well-being. It also makes an important contribution on the economic progress as healthy populations live longer, are more productive, and save more. Many factors influence health status and country ability to provide health service for its people. Why do we need good health? Staying healthy physically can help you stay healthy emotionally too. If you're eating the right food and keeping fit, your body will be strong and help you cope with stress and also fight illness. Eating well and exercising often when you're a teenager will also help you stay in good health later than in life. Habits to maintain good health. Build your plate around healthy choices. Start by filling your half of your plate with fruits and vegetables. Stay hydrated. Limit alcohol intake. Avoid or quit tobacco usage. Walk more. Choose physical activities you enjoy. Wash your hands. Develop health sleep habits. Eating a healthful diet, obtaining sufficient sleep, avoiding smoking, keeping physically fit, and maintaining an active mind are among the practices that may increase not only expectancy but also the chance of a full and productive life in one's later years. Nutritional status is the current body status of a person or a population group related to their state of nourishment, the consumption and utilization of nutrients. Two factors of nutritional status: internal or constitutional factors like age, sex, nutrition, behavior, physical activities, and diseases. External environmental factors like foods, safety, cultural, social, and economical circumstances. Factors affecting nutritional status. Biological factors includes age, gender, growth, disease states, and makeup. Among non-biological factors, poverty is one of the major socio-economic status causes of variation in nutrients intake, and it also impacts nutrients requirements. Why is nutritional status important? Nutrition education is essential component in improving dietary habits and food choices in order to reverse the undernutrition and improve the diagnosis. Poor dietary habits and lack of physical activity can be the main reason of poor nutritional status among other others. And it ends my lesson titled Food and Nutrition. Thank you for listening.